Hi guys, today we are going to learn how we can create AI-generated images for your YouTube content or your desktop background just by providing the necessary prompts. These are samples which I have generated through Ideogram. Here's how we can create them. Go to Google, type Ideogram and hit enter. I have already logged in. Just provide an email ID and log in by yourself. This is the prompt engine. Just type your requirement, select the aspect ratio, choose a category if necessary, and click Generate. This will take some seconds to create an image. So, this is my video thumbnail image. You can check how I have given the prompt. So that's it, no Photoshop required. Just type what you think, and the AI will get the best out of it. Thanks for watching, see you soon in the next video.